Hi everyone. Last class we discussed about continuous time signal and discrete time signal. Continuous time signal and discrete time signal may further classified as first one deterministic and non-deterministic signal, periodic and non-periodic signal, even and odd signal. Fourth one is energy and power signal. Fifth one is causal and non-causal signals. Our today's topic is deterministic and non-deterministic signal. What is deterministic signal? What is deterministic signal? Future values of the signal can be predicted by knowing past values of the signal. Future values of the signal can be predicted by knowing past values of the signal. Or deterministic signal can be completely represented by mathematical equation at any time. This is the figure for deterministic signal. This is the figure for deterministic signal. Okay. What is definition for a deterministic signal? Future values. Future values can be predicted by knowing past values. So here, suppose we are now here. Okay. We can predict the future values by knowing past values. Here see, let's take the equation x of t equal to a sin omega naught t plus theta. So here a is amplitude, omega naught is frequency, t is time period and theta is phase angle. Let's see here, amplitude is everywhere constant and time period is also constant. Okay, it is a periodic signal. Okay, time period is also constant. By using this equation, okay, we can define future values of the sample function by knowing past values. Why? Because it is a periodic signal. So by observing past values, we can predict the future values of the signal. Okay, so x of t equal to a sin omega naught t plus theta. Next, non-deterministic or random signal. Okay, future values of the signal cannot be predicted by knowing past values of the signal, or a signal which can be represented by any mathematical equation is called random signal or non-deterministic signal. Okay, example for non-deterministic signal is random signal. Example for non-deterministic signal is random signal. Why? Because here there is no constant amplitude and constant time period. That's why we cannot predict the future values by knowing past values. Examples of non-deterministic signal is random signal. Okay, we cannot predict future values by knowing past values. Okay, this is the noise signal. This is a figure for noise signal. Here we cannot predict the future values by knowing the past values. Example for non-deterministic signal is noise signal. Okay, the definition for non-deterministic signal is future values of the signal cannot be predicted by knowing past values of the signal. Here we cannot predict the future values. We cannot predict the future values by knowing past values. Okay, here we cannot predict this signal. Why? Because the signal is random in nature. That's why we cannot predict the future values by knowing past values. Okay, in deterministic signal, future values can be predicted by knowing past values. Why? Because here constant amplitude and time period. That's why we can predict the future values by knowing past values. Thank you.